So guys, all of the flight footage that you're going to see in the following video, I left stabilization switched on the GoPro. So yeah, it's not exactly the best. The flips and rolls look like I've got bounce back when I didn't. It's shaking all over the place. And it's cocked me field of vision. But I'm going to put it up anyway because it was an awesome spot. And I think you want to see it all. And it's probably going to be a long time before I get a chance to go back there. So, sorry about that, guys. But, yeah, enjoy. Oi, oi, guys. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a Sunday. And we're getting down to pick Adzo FPV up. And then we're off up to see a castle and a viaduct. Should be a good day today. First things first, can get a can of energy drink. Oh, that's better, isn't it? That's better. We'll slot one in there. Oi, oi! So, we're on the way up to Edlingham Castle and Viaduct. We've picked Adam up, we've picked Lukey B up. And I've still got my indicator on. But aye, we should be up there in like what? 40 minutes, something like that.
We should do it in 30 minutes.
So, we'll aye, catch you in a bit for a bit of Viaduct swinging action like.
You know, doing on the K-side.
Well,
oh, look at this. He's vlogging already.
We've just
we're here.
We're pretty much here like, and yeah, I'm going to spin you around. As you can see, it looks pretty mint like. So, we've just turned up at the spot. The guys have all walked on in front of us because they were sick of waiting for us to sort all my crap out. But, well, the spot's just doing the road here. So, yeah, this one's called Edlingham Castle, St John the Baptist Chapel, and Edlingham Viaduct, all in one go. The wind's just died down. The sun looks like it could possibly be burning through, but that's yet to be seen really. It's 7 to 9. Let's go and do it. There's a little church, but hey. So we'll just jump down here. Adzo's just hit the castle. See what's happened. How's your quad?
It worked. I have to find the thing that come off it.
The bell.
That was just...
There's a GoPro, mate. His GoPro come off. Found it though.
I need it. I've
Got
lost
it.
I've lost the prop. The bell. Just looking for a bell with a prop on it.
What colour?
Orange.
Oh, they should be easy enough to find then.
Right, so it should have gone inside.
It's in the middle, mate. I've got it. One bell. And another bell.
Nice, nice.
Just did a slow move around and just even yaw it around as you're going up it, but sweet.
Not having a good day, Adam, son, are you?
No, bad day. Not bad day.
GoPro's been destroyed.
GoPro's been destroyed. I took the woods. You only gotta go.
How about you, Lucky? How are you getting on, son?
I'm good. Hit up the castle. I hit it so hard that I broke it, look.
What about Gareth? How are you doing, mate?
Not great, like.
No.
Castle's jinxed.
Oi, oi. Well, glad we got here early because a load of tourists have just showed up. So, we're going to leave the castle. Adam smashed a GoPro. Some props being broken. And, well, we're going to go and see if we can get down to the viaduct. Oh, we've got Luke.
Right, someone like this is ridiculous.
One lad. One.
Oh, Bill, lad! Tyrannus. I love it. I love it how you just carry a Tyrannus wound in the original box. It's a good storage.
Yeah, you know what it is? It doesn't get that very good, so I'm just... Yeah, that looks like
It is, isn't it?
Well then, lads, sometimes when you crash, bad things happen.
It's all part of the art. He put himself in this game and it's happened, so it's funny and sad at the same time, isn't it?
I shouldn't be laughing because I'm on the game.
Sometimes this happens. Sometimes you've got to clean a brand new quad. Well, freshly rebuilt quad. I think it's home time.